Hello everyone and welcome to another video. So in this video I'm going to show an example of a program which will use a simple algorithm or to decision making, and we're going to classify the weather. Okay, so imagine that if for some reason or for some by any means you could capture or gather the weather, and you need to show someone the conditions based on that value. So to do that, I'm gonna write an example using the if and another keyword that we're gonna learn today. And for sake of this video, uh, I'm gonna use Celsius because I'm from a country that uses Celsius as a unit measurement. Okay, so let's use Celsius. I hope that I'm writing correctly. So let's create a variable called int, which will be weather, actually temperature, temperature. I think it's right. Console.writeLine. Enter the weather just for the sake of this video, but if you have like a Arduino, you could capture the weather through sensors and make some decision such as controlling the air conditioning. Okay, so there are real world examples of this. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna see if it is the temperature. Let's read the value. Okay, so let's just parse console.readline. Let me see, readline. Yeah. So the first if we will compare to see that if temperature is lower than 0, and if it is, we're gonna show the weather. The weather is freezing. I hope freezing. I hope it's that way. Maybe I'm wrong. So let's use the now statement just for the sake of the last video, because you guys need to remember the weather. The weather seems okay. Seems okay. So yeah. So let's run this. Let's execute it. I'm gonna enter -9, and the weather is freezing. Okay. So we need to have multiple ifs to be able to have a program that it is reasonable. So to do that, we're gonna use a if. Okay, if else, which means that um, we're gonna create another if, but also this will be connected to the first if. Okay, so the if else, it's a combination of the two. It lives in the middle. Let's write. We can now write another condition right here, or statement. If temperature is below 10, we're gonna print console.writeLine. The weather still cold. Remember that I'm using Celsius as unit for measurement of the temperature. If you use Fahrenheit, this will be probably different. So just keep that in mind. So what the second if else does, or actually the second, is okay. So imagine that we have a block, okay, a switch. If we cannot fall in the first one, we're gonna try the second one and the third one. So this will be the default. Okay, so if the conditions are not met for the first one, the second one, it will of course be for the third one, no matter what. Okay, so just remember that. So let's run again. Oh, and I forgot something. What did I forgot? Let me see. I'm forgetting something. What? Okay, that is weird. Let me see. Okay. Temperature. Okay, so okay, guys, I need to check this out because this shouldn't be happening really really quickly. Let me just see. Um, so let me see. Okay. Yeah, I just I just did a simple mistake, guys. I was changing the order. The order should be else if. I think coding Python for mouse just okay. So let's just type 8. The weather still cold, which is true. So you could have other one another here else if temperature slash and 20. We could type the weather is chilly. The weather is chilly. Chilly. Okay. Let's execute, and we're gonna see that if I type 15, the weather is chilly. So I hope you guys have understood what I just shown here. Have shown here. As you guys can see, you just need to pay attention to the order. I was typing if else, and it actually is else if. Okay, so my bad. So yeah, that's it. So hope you guys enjoy it, and see you guys next time.